you did to me. Look what you made me.
Wheels and Wings is your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, expert insights, and detailed features on some of the most exciting vehicles on the market. Today, we take a closer look at the Chevrolet Malibu, a mid-size sedan that blends style, efficiency, and modern technology for an exceptional driving experience. The Chevrolet Malibu stands out with its sleek and aerodynamic design, featuring a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a streamlined body that enhances both aesthetics and performance. The sculpted lines and available sporty trims give it a dynamic presence on the road, while a range of stylish alloy wheels adds to its appeal. The overall design strikes a perfect balance between sophistication and sportiness, making it a great choice for those who want a stylish yet practical sedan. Inside, the Malibu offers a spacious and well-crafted cabin with high-quality materials and a driver-focused layout. The seats provide excellent comfort and support, with available leather upholstery and power-adjustable settings. The dashboard is clean and modern, featuring an intuitive infotainment system with a large touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The premium audio system delivers rich sound quality, enhancing the overall driving experience. Dual-zone climate control, a wireless charging pad, and multiple USB ports add to the convenience, ensuring passengers stay comfortable and connected on the go. The rear seats offer ample legroom, making it an excellent option for families or long road trips. Under the hood, the Chevrolet Malibu comes with efficient engine options that provide a smooth and responsive drive. The standard turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivers a good balance of power and fuel economy, making it ideal for daily commuting. The available larger engine option offers more performance for those who want extra power on the highway. The smooth shifting automatic transmission ensures a refined driving experience, while the well-tuned suspension provides a comfortable ride, even on rough roads. With an impressive fuel efficiency rating, the Malibu is a great option for those looking to save on fuel costs without compromising on performance. Safety and technology are key highlights of the Malibu, with advanced driver assistance features such as forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. The rear-view camera and parking sensors make maneuvering easier, while the high-strength steel frame enhances overall safety. Chevrolet's teen driver technology also allows parents to set limits and monitor driving habits, making it a smart choice for families. The Chevrolet Malibu offers a perfect blend of style, comfort, and efficiency, making it a strong contender in the midsize sedan segment. Whether you need a reliable daily driver or a comfortable road trip companion, the Malibu delivers on all fronts. For more in-depth reviews, features, and the latest updates on exciting vehicles, make sure to subscribe to Wheels and Wings. Stay tuned for more great content.